Welcome aboard, Crypto Crusaders. Today's update is no ordinary market review, it's a deep dive into one of the most hotly debated tokens in the digital realm, Pi Coin. I'm Zaki, your guide on this wild blockchain ride, and in this episode of Zaki Crypto Update, we're about to unpack Bitget's bold forecast for PiNetwork. Will Pi surge to an eye-popping $1,000, or will it fizzle out and stick around $50? Buckle up as we explore every twist and turn of this digital roller coaster. For those who are new here, welcome to Zaki Crypto Update, where we cut through the noise with incisive crypto opinions, a dash of humor, and a passion for uncovering the truth behind blockchain buzz. Before we dive in, if you enjoy content that makes the complexities of crypto both entertaining and enlightening, hit that subscribe button and smash the like icon right now. Your support fuels our journey into the depths of the crypto universe. Now, let's set the stage. As the cryptocurrency market evolves at a breakneck pace, speculation over Pi Coin's future has reached fever pitch. With the long-anticipated launch of PiNetwork's open mainnet looming on the horizon, investors and pioneers alike are anxiously watching every development. One of the most intriguing forecasts comes straight from Bitget, a leading digital asset trading platform. According to their analysis, Pi could either ascend dramatically to between $500 and $1,000 or languish at a modest $50 to $200 by 2030. Stick with me because in the next few minutes, we'll unravel the factors behind these divergent scenarios, share a few laughs at some of the crypto absurdities along the way, and deliver a no-holds-barred opinion on whether Pi has what it takes to become a major player in the crypto ecosystem. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up. Let's kick things off with the first and arguably the most critical factor, the success of the open mainnet. The transition from a closed testing environment to an open mainnet is nothing short of a defining moment for PiNetwork. If the launch is smooth, with all systems operating seamlessly and transaction limits lifted, investor confidence could skyrocket. A frictionless, well-executed mainnet would not only validate the project's technology but also signal that Pi is ready for the big leagues. However, any technical glitches, delays, or hiccups during the launch could send a chill down investors' spines, resulting in skepticism and a possible dampening of its market value. In other words, a stellar open mainnet is the secret sauce for Pi's upward trajectory. Now, consider the real-world utility of a cryptocurrency. What sets giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum apart isn't just their technology, it's their adoption in everyday transactions. For Pi to climb to the upper echelons of Bitget's bullish projection, it needs more than just a passionate community of miners. Pi must evolve into a widely accepted medium of exchange. This means businesses, retailers, and service providers integrating Pi into their payment systems. Envision paying for your morning coffee or booking a cab using Pi. If that becomes a reality, then Pi's utility will be undeniable. Additionally, the rollout of decentralized applications, DApps, smart contracts, NFT marketplaces, and Web3 integrations on Pi's blockchain can create a thriving ecosystem that drives demand upward. On the flip side, if Pi remains confined to niche, community-only transactions with little real-world application, its value might struggle to break out of the lower price range. Let's face it, crypto isn't just about code and community, it's also about the laws that govern it. The future of PiNetwork is inextricably tied to the regulatory landscape. Positive, clear, and supportive regulatory frameworks across major economies like the United States, Europe, and China can create a fertile environment for Pi's growth. If governments endorse crypto-friendly policies, it could open the floodgates to institutional and retail investment alike. However, if regulators impose stringent restrictions or bans on cryptocurrency trading, it could severely limit Pi's potential. In this tug-of-war between innovation and regulation, Pi's destiny will hinge on how well it navigates the legal minefield while maintaining investor trust. Picture this. You've been mining Pi on your smartphone for years, only to find that you can't trade it on the big exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. That's a recipe for stagnation. Listing on these major platforms would be a game-changer. It would not only increase liquidity but also boost global accessibility and lend Pi a layer of legitimacy that attracts both institutional investors and seasoned traders. If Pi successfully secures these coveted listings, The resulting surge in trading volumes and investor confidence could propel its price into the bullish territory predicted by Bitget. Conversely, prolonged absence from major exchanges might keep Pi's market value suppressed, trapping it in a lower price range. Finally, let's not underestimate the power of community. PiNetwork's greatest strength has been its grassroots, community-driven model. With millions of pioneers actively mining, engaging, and supporting the project, the community's collective enthusiasm can drive organic growth and spur further innovation. But enthusiasm alone won't cut it. Technological advancements are key. If Pi's blockchain can evolve to support high-speed transactions, minimal fees, robust security, and a suite of decentralized applications, it could emerge as a genuine alternative to established cryptocurrencies. Continuous innovation in the form of DApps, NFT marketplaces, and seamless Web3 integration will be crucial in sustaining long-term interest and ensuring that Pi remains relevant in an increasingly competitive landscape. So, can PiNetwork actually reach the ambitious $1,000 mark? The bullish forecast isn't just wishful thinking, it's based on a confluence of several key milestones that must all come together: a flawless, full-functioning open mainnet launch, widespread adoption among businesses and consumers, favorable regulatory developments in major markets, listing on top-tier cryptocurrency exchanges, consistent technological innovation that enhances Pi's usability. If every one of these boxes is ticked, then $1,000 might not be a far-fetched dream but a realistic long-term target. However, the crypto world is notoriously unpredictable. If one or more of these critical elements fail to materialize, then the more conservative, bearish forecast of $50 to $200 becomes all too likely. And while that may seem dismal compared to the bullish scenario, it's important to remember that even a modest increase over time can be significant for those who have been mining Pi for years. Let's be honest, the world of cryptocurrency is as unpredictable as a caffeinated squirrel on roller skates. I mean, who would have thought that a project launched on Pi Day, with mining done on your mobile phone, could spark such heated debates? Personally, I think PiNetwork embodies both the promise and the quirks of crypto culture. On one hand, it's innovative, bringing mining to your pocket without draining your battery like a zombie apocalypse. On the other, its success depends on a delicate dance between technology, community, and regulatory whims. In my honest opinion, if the Pi core team can deliver on a smooth mainnet launch and build real-world utility, then Pi might indeed soar past $500 and possibly even flirt with the $1,000 mark. But if it stumbles or if regulators decide to rain on its parade, then we might be left with a token that's more of a fun experiment than a groundbreaking digital currency. Either way, it's a fascinating experiment in decentralized finance that keeps us all entertained and, hopefully, educated. If you're as intrigued, or as amused, by Pi's future as I am, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful, no-nonsense crypto updates. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you lean bullish or bearish on Pi? Let's spark a conversation in the comment section because your perspective might just be the missing piece in this complex puzzle. We're at a defining moment for PiNetwork. The coming months will be critical in determining whether Pi emerges as a major player in the crypto world or remains a niche project with limited impact. Early adopters and pioneers have been patient, mining and holding their Pi tokens through thick and thin. Now, as we edge closer to the open mainnet launch, the market's reaction, coupled with adoption rates, regulatory decisions, and technological progress, will ultimately decide the fate of Pi coin. For all the early pioneers out there, this is your moment. Will you witness a meteoric rise that catapults Pi into the upper echelons of crypto valuation, or will the challenges prove too great, leaving the token in the lower price bands? The next steps taken by the Pi core team and the overall market conditions will be crucial. One thing is for certain: the crypto world is watching closely, and so should you. Before we wrap up today's update, I want to express my gratitude to all of you for tuning in and being a part of this incredible journey. If you found this breakdown helpful and entertaining, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more crypto insights, market forecasts, and behind-the-scenes looks at emerging projects coming your way. Remember, while our analysis is grounded in careful research and informed opinions, nothing here constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with qualified professionals before making any investment decisions. Crypto is a wild ride, and your safety comes first. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the future of Bitcoin. I'm Zaki, and it's been a pleasure guiding you through the highs, lows, and unpredictable twists of the crypto market. If you're hungry for more detailed analyses and lively discussions on everything crypto, be sure to check out our other videos on Zaki Crypto Update. Until next time, keep mining, keep holding, and as always, stay curious and cautious in this ever-evolving digital frontier. This is Zaki signing off. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next update. Stay smart, stay safe, and let's ride the crypto waves together.